Some students are not yet able to understand how to make a PDF and upload on the Google Classroom. So I'm making this video for those students. First, you have to click the photos of your answers, whatever answers you have written, you have to click the pictures of those, and then you have to download any converter from Google Play Store. Like here I have downloaded one image to PDF converter, so you have to open that converter just like I'm opening here. So it is saying convert to PDF at the bottom. You can see it is saying convert to PDF. So I have to use this option convert to PDF so that my images get converted into a PDF. So here there is also an icon representing the gallery on top, so I'm just clicking on that icon. So here you can see select images is coming. So what I'm doing here is that I'm selecting some photos which I have already clicked, just like your solutions. So here I'm clicking on the images for which I need to make the PDF. So I select all these images, and then after that I click done. So all these images I can see now here. So now I will convert all these images into a single PDF file. So I click on this button convert to PDF. Now after clicking on this button convert to PDF, it is asking me whether I need to name this PDF. So here I can put any name. So just like here I am putting the name as demo. So then PDF password, I don't require that, so it is disabled. And then compress PDF, this is also important because as I have already told you, when you try to upload the things on Google Classroom, then sometimes due to a bigger size it is very inconvenient to transfer to Google Classroom. We are not able to upload, or it takes a lot of time. So in that case we can use this option compress PDF. Okay, and here you can see quality is 100. So if we don't want the 100 quality, what we can do is that we can just slide this slider here and we can choose any quality. Like here I'm choosing quality as 50%. So what is happening here is that if I choose 100%, then size will be more. So to reduce the size, I'm choosing a compress option here. So I'm taking 50% as the size. So it will try reducing the quality to 50%, and then I'm clicking on convert here. So as I'm clicking on convert, my all the images are getting converted into a single PDF file with the desired compression. So this is working now, 4 out of 7. So I have 7 images, so all the 7 images are getting converted into a single PDF. So as you can see here, now after that I have options here: delete, share and open file. So I don't need to do anything. I'm just here delete. I don't need to delete this file, I need to share this file in fact. But then for sharing, we will see what is the option available. So we will go to Google Classroom first. So here I'm going back now. So I go back, I go to Google Classroom now. After going to Google Classroom, here after going to Google Classroom, I have to choose the classroom in which I have been given an assignment, and I have to reply to that assignment, and I have to upload this PDF file. So I am choosing any class here. So I choose this class, and in this class, this is actually a sample class which I have created so that I can show you how to upload the answers. So I'm clicking on whatever assignment. Like here there is new assignment function. So in your case, whatever assignment is given by the teacher, you have to click on that assignment. So I click on this assignment, new assignment. So as I click on this assignment, now I see at the bottom it is written your work. So you have to click on this your work, or you have to slide it upwards from the bottom. So as I slide it upwards, I get this open here. Now after opening this, I'm getting here add attachment. Okay, so this is important here when you want to return your work as a PDF. When you want to reply to any assignment and you have to attach a file as PDF file, then you have to select this option add attachment. After doing this add attachment, you have to click on file. ठीक है. And after clicking on file, what you have to do is that you have to go to whatever folder that file is saved in. So we will go to a folder in which that file is saved. So here I can choose any folder. So first I need to know which folder that file is saved in. So here I can see a folder PDF converter. Okay, so we will go to this PDF converter folder, and as you can see here, demo.pdf, this file is already saved here. So what I do is that I click on this, and as I click on this, what is happening here is that this file is getting uploaded onto the Google Classroom. So it will take some time. It's that is why compression is important, because if we don't compress, then it will take even longer time. So you have to wait while the file is getting uploaded on the Google Classroom. Once it gets uploaded on the Google Classroom, then there's nothing much you have to do. But for this process, like here now I can see my file demo.pdf, it's already here, as you can see. So this file, after attaching this file, if you want to write any comments about this file, you can use this add private comment. Like I can write a private comment here that this is a demo file. Okay, so this you can choose, and then after that you have to, if you want to send the comment, you have to put that aeroplane type of thing, you have to click on that. I'm not clicking on that here. So after doing this, as you can see here, there's an option of turning in. So after attaching the file, your work is not done. Your work is done only when you turn in the attachment, then only it will reach the teacher, otherwise it will not reach the teacher. So you have to click on this turn in, and it is asking you now one attachment will be submitted for function. Okay, function is the name of the assignment. So whatever is the name of assignment, for example it is PT1, so periodic test 1. So one attachment will be submitted for periodic test 1. So if you are given periodic test 1 and you are returning the assignment, then you have to, you will see here that it is, instead of function it will come. So now after that you have to click on resubmit button. So it is showing resubmit in my case because I am submitting again, because earlier I had tried once and now I am resubmitting it. Okay, but in your case it will come only submit, so you have to submit that PDF. Now once you do that, then after that you can go back, and now once you go back, you will see that your attachment is not coming in stream. Okay, so you have to reply as classwork, you have to reply in the classwork tab only. Okay, from the classwork tab, uh, you see assignment is there in stream, but your reply is not there in stream. Why? Because you have not put that in stream. Okay, I have not clicked on over here and then I have attached the file. Don't do like that. You don't have to do like that. If you do like that, then it comes only in the stream. What you need to do here, you need to click on the assignment. Okay, whatever assignment you have, again I'm repeating, go to your work, then here you can see demo.pdf is already attached. If it was not attached, then you have to click on over here add attachment, then you have to attach the PDF, and the button here it is showing unsubmit. Instead of that button, you have turn in here, you have to turn in the attachment. Okay, and turning in the attachment means the attachment will go to the teacher. Okay, so that is how you will return any assignment in the form of a PDF. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, and then after that you have to just go back here, you don't have to do anything after that. It will reach the teacher and your work will be done. Okay, thank you.